Hey everybody, John from Retired Rider. Hope you all are doing well today. Got a few things I want to put on the motorcycle today. Came in the mail today actually. So let's give you guys a shot of what I got. We're gonna go from, see if I can do this with one hand. We're gonna go from the chrome saddlebag handles to the black. Now these are aluminum, they're not metal like the old ones, so they're a little bit lighter. But we're going to go from the chrome and we're going to switch it to the black. And we're going to switch our, sorry about the shadow, we're going to switch our seat bolt to black too. Not sure how it's going to look, but hell, let's get started. See what it looks like. So we got our handy little stool right here and our ratchet. I believe it's dang, I can't see worth the crap anymore, but I believe, what is that? Looks like it's a Torx, and it looks like it's you know what? I can't see it. That's pretty sad. I can't even see what size Torx bit that is. I can't. I really can't see it. So I almost had to get out of the magnifying glass to see that. So I can't tell you what it is because I can't see it. But anyway, we'll get in here and see if I can work with this. My left hand, which I never have been really good with working with my left hand, and get this off. You know, there's one screw back behind here that holds this on. I'm sure you guys probably have done these before. If not, it's not nothing too difficult. I was just interested to see. I seen these, and I was just interested to see what they would look like. I know the Willie G's got a lot of black in it, you know, and the seat's black. I'm thinking, well, maybe they would look. That's solid. That's solid metal for sure. And we are replacing it with aluminum. So hey, maybe it's a little less weight on the bike. But there is a rubber seal in there. They do give a bag of hardware here. They give you some new screws, and actually they give you new O-rings too. I'm not sure what the O-rings are for because this already has an O-ring in there. But hell, let's take them out of there and see if we can figure out where they go. Not sure why they give a washer, because it didn't have a washer on it. You guys seen that when we took it off, so. There you go, the thumbs are not working tonight. But, did cut the grass today, so, you know, pushing that lawnmower around and pulling that string on the lawnmower, on the weed eater, and on the blower kind of messes with my hands a little bit. Anyway, they do give you washers and some O-rings and new screws. Not sure where these go because, like I said, it already has a washer or O-ring in there. I guess that seals it when you tighten it down. Not sure where this new O-ring would go. Unless it just goes over this. It's all new to me. We'll stick it over there and see what happens. We'll put it in there. Unless it's to help double seal it. I'm not sure. But you can see the old, excuse me. Here I am dropping everything. My hands are not working properly. But you can see the actual seal that comes in there originally. So I'm not sure if we would really need that O-ring on there. I don't know if that would cause the leak or what. You know what? I'm gonna go without it because it sits in there pretty good. Well, it might sit too low onto the. We don't want it to scratch the paint either. So that's the only place I can see that it would go. So we're gonna stick it on there, and we'll tighten it down, see what happens. But you can't put it in wrong. It's got its cutouts, so you're definitely not going to put it in wrong. It's keyed in there, so shouldn't have no problems with that. Pretty basic. So get down here and get my. I don't know why they have a washer unless they're wanting you to put it on this side, which, like I said, it did not come with one, unless it's just stuck on there, which no, it's not. So not sure why they want you to put a washer in there, but we'll put it on there. It doesn't come with any instructions, so it's pretty self-explanatory. Did you guys see where I put that ratchet? Because I don't know what I did with it. Man, you know, working on cars all my life, and I've been doing it for so many years, and you know, and I still do the same stuff. It's amazing. I'll sit stuff down and just forget where I put it. I'm gonna have to turn my back to you guys for a minute because my left hand's not working too good right now. So sorry about that. Guess I could have moved the camera, but I guess I could have put a little blue Loctite on there, but I don't think we'll have an issue with it coming loose. I think that other O-ring might be just a little too much because it's not sliding there like it was before. But anyhow, there it is. Pretty basic. And let's see how it looks. I mean, I guess it all depends on what you like. You like chrome or you don't like chrome, or get out of your guys' way. I'll bring you in here in a second and see what you guys think. I'm not sure about that O-ring, that extra O-ring. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's doing too good in there. Probably should have left that off. You know what? Let's take it out and see if it does any better that way. So here we go again. Definitely want a smooth action. You know, you don't want it to be rubbing or anything. So, not sure what that O-ring is for. But we're going to take it out and see how it does. Remember, that's where I put my ratchet. A little warm here today. It's actually a little warm in the garage. So got a few trips planned this week, so be looking forward to those videos coming out. We're going to take that O-ring off that I put on, the one they gave, and slide that. Because like I said, you guys seen that I pulled this one out, and that's originally what's in there. So we're just going to go with that one because it seemed like it moved a lot better with just that O-ring. Oh yeah, it's a lot smoother. So we'll do that. It was dragging pretty good with the other one on there, so. yeah, like I was saying, it's going to be warm this week, so I'm going to have to turn my back to you guys just for a second. My other hand is not working tonight. So we got the wife won't be able to come along because she has to work, but we got a couple of I should say I got a couple of places I'm going to take you guys later in the week, and those videos should be up this weekend. But it's supposed to be a really nice week. And then of course it's going to go bad again. Oh. My hand is just not working. It's never good. Yeah, that's a lot smoother. Yeah, that's a lot better. It's a lot better. We also got, like I said, we got the seat bolt screw, whatever you want to call it. We're going to put that on there too. And like I said, we'll get you guys in here and see what you think about it. Then you can put it down in the comment section and let me know what you think. Woo! It's warm in this garage. Got me sweating. Take the chrome one off. Yeah. Sorry, you guys, if I'm out of camera view. Not that you need to see me anyway. And we'll slide this black one on. Yeah, there's just really not too much more we're going to do on the Road King. We've pretty much got it where we want it. So, she's running good. She's running real good. We'll have her out tomorrow, actually. This is Monday. And we'll have the Monday the 10th, April the 10th. And we'll have her out tomorrow. So, I don't know when you'll see this video, but it's Monday, April 10th. So, we definitely will have her out this week. Not sure if I like that one or not. Anyway. It's a little bit wobbly. Are they like that originally? No, that's pretty tight. So that concerns me a little bit. Maybe that washer does need to be in there. That rubber O-ring. Anyway, this will get us our decide whether we like it or not. Yeah, I don't like that. Did we tighten it down all the way? I'm sure we did. Alright, let's try to tighten it down. I don't want to break anything. Well, maybe we didn't tighten it down all the way. It felt like it was tight. Well, that's too tight. So, there we go. So let me get you guys in here. Give me 1 second, and I'll get you guys in here and you tell me what you think. We'll leave the chrome one on that side, and we'll do a comparison, and you can tell me what you guys think as far as how you like it. Still not sold on how that's working right there. Anyway, let me get you in here. Hang tight. So, there's the black. And if we walk over here to this side of the bike, there's the chrome. So what do you guys think? What do you think looks better? You think the chrome looks better, or do you think the black looks better? I'm not sure. I might leave them on there for a while and see what I think about them. They don't look bad. Of course, the chrome doesn't look bad either. I guess it all depends on what you like. And we got the black seat bolt right there too. It's not really anything you're going to really see, or anybody's really going to pick up on, I don't think. But I seen them. I figured, well, hell, I'll give them a shot. I'll sit them on there, see what they're like, see if I like them. They are definitely lighter. Like I said, they're aluminum. They're not steel like the ones that came off. But they work okay. Anyway, put it down in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think. Go with the black or stay with the chrome. Hey, you guys, I appreciate you coming along with this little install. It wasn't nothing big, just a little video. You can see that seat bolt back there. Probably can't. But like I said, I don't know. I just thought they looked kind of cool, but I'm not really sold on it, actually, to be honest with you. Maybe because it blends in with the seat. Maybe that's the purpose of them. I really don't know. But like I said, put it down in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think about them. And like I said, I'll leave them on there for a little while. If I don't like them, I'll take them off. But your comments are always welcome. Like I said, let me know. Hey, you guys, when you watch my videos, do me a favor. Do me a big favor. Hit that like button. Whether you're a subscriber or whether you're just stopping by. Just going to spin you guys around here. Whether you're just stopping by the channel or whatever, do me a favor. Hit that like button. It does not cost you anything. It helps out the channel. Now, you know, everybody knows I don't ask for money and I don't want any money from anybody. We just want the channel to grow. We want our videos to get out there. We're not worried about making a dime. We don't care about that. We're monetized. You guys know I've said this many times before, but I could care less about being monetized. I just want our channel to grow so we can reach people and people that don't ride, like I've told you guys before, the people that can't ride anymore, and this is the way they kind of get out on a ride, is by watching videos. So if you watch the video, even if it's for 30 seconds, even if it's for a minute, whatever the case may be, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, especially that like button. Hit that like button, and we would much appreciate it. Anyway, you guys be safe out there. We'll see you on the next one. Take care now.